I'm looking at this 99 Nissan Maxima and just checking out the circuit for the EGR temperature sensor at the EGR tube at the back of the manifold. Got the connector disconnected there, and I'm going to be using just my ohm meter, and I'm going to be probing. There's the connector here. I'm going to be probing these two pins here, and what I'm going to do is just put my the ground of the meter. I'm just going to attach that to the ground of the car, and I'm just going to be looking at these pins here to see what I see on them. This one here on the right is reading 100K, basically 100,000 ohms, and the one on the left here is straight up reading ground. So this is ground, and this one here evidently goes into the ECM, the input, and right now it's reading 100K. That's the input impedance, and right now the impedance of the sensor is 200K, but it'll drop to under 10K when it's passing the hot gas. So there's the two readings. There's ground, and that's the input to the ECM. And the keyway here is at the bottom. And so now I'm going to connect the this connector back into its mate here. This is going to the sensor on the back of the manifold, the temperature sensor. And this connector here is from the ECM. So that's all connected now.